my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're stopping into my channel for the very first time, I'm so pleased that you decided to stop in today. And for all my returning subscribers, it is so good to see you again. Well, today I am going to be working on my Glam home office. I am going to be doing a refresh in here because I have not decorated this office since the Easter and spring season. So I am going to start with my desk. I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to get it all organized. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm just giving you a quick view of what my desk looks like right now before I get it cleaned up. And this is pretty much how my desk looks throughout the year. I do kind of keep it kind of tidy in here, but there are some things that I'm going to change. I am going to switch out this lamp. I'm also going to switch out this floral here. I'm also showing you the drawers here. This is what it looks like. I'm going to get this organized a little bit better. I have a mix-mash of some of everything in there. And so I'm going to go ahead and put things where they need to be, such as this. And let's get started. So now I'm just showing you some of the items that I'm going to use to get my desk all organized, such as this gold basket by Essentials. And most of these items I got from the Dollar Tree. And also this little organizer here that has 3 clear compartments. I really like that fixture. And because Dollar Tree now has their school supplies out, I just picked up some items that I needed to get my office a little bit more organized, things that I need to have on hand. And I'm just showing you some of those items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on little essentials like that. And so the Dollar Tree is a perfect place to do this, such as this pocket calculator. And I have a calculator on my phone, but sometimes I like a good old-fashioned calculator. And what really got my attention were these paper clips. Look at these paper clips, you guys. Aren't they fit for a glam office? Look at those adorable little pom-pom balls. And you get them in 3 shades of pink, as you can see, and a little purple and the aqua there. So I thought these were absolutely darling. And of course, I got the regular kind of paper clips. And also I got this little cute little pencil holder here. Or you can put pens in there or whatever that you want to put in there. Highlighters or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm just letting you see that I've cleared off my entire desk. The only thing that I left up there was this lamp. And I've cleared everything out of the drawers. So I'm just going to clean everything up. And then I'm going to start organizing the drawers and redecorating this whole table for summer. So now I am taking both of my racks and make sure that they fit properly in my drawer. So I decided to put one of each tray. And now I'm just testing it out, make sure that my drawer will properly close without hesitation. And so now what I'm getting ready to do is start adding in all my supplies. I'm starting with my regular paper clips first. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to group like items together in the order that I'm going to grab for them. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because, you know, sometimes we organize things and it's not functional for us. And when we go to reach for the items, we're tearing everything up. So I'm carefully choosing what items to place together that will make it more functional for me. Now, as you can see, I just placed that whiteout in there. I didn't get the other fancier kinds of whiteout because I really don't like the tape kind or the pen kind. So I just like using the brush. And so now I think I've gotten it the way that I want it. So I'm just showing you how it looks. And then I'm going to start working on the second tray. And I just can't get over these adorable paper clips. I've never seen any paper clips like that. And now as I'm watching this back, I think I should have got more than just one pack. And I probably will make another trip back. Hopefully there'll be some more there when I get back. You know how that goes. And so now I've finished putting in all my supplies. And I'm just letting you know here why I put certain things together. And I think I'm satisfied with this. Of course, the paper clips are going to go side by side and my calculator. And I think these little trays are going to be very functional for me. So it's easy for me to grab the items that I need. And here I've placed all my items in this tray. And the highlighters did not come from the Dollar Tree. They were a gift to me. And this is the pencil case. I'm just telling you that I've got some pens in here, but I couldn't show it to you right then because my other hand is occupied with my camera. So I couldn't open it. But you'll see it in the next clip. So I'm going to go ahead and put this tray in this particular drawer here. And that's drawer number 1. And now I'm showing you that I put some extra gel pens in here. And I just thought it would fit better corralled in this particular pencil case. And that purple pen right there is scented. It smells like grape. So I'm just putting that back. And I'm probably going to have to add some sticky dots to these trays because they do slide. And so now I'm going to the second drawer. And in this particular tray, I decided to just put some plain computer paper. And I'm going to add in this second tray. And so now I'm just showing you that I've added my items and just sliding them in. And that little blue thing there, that's a disk drive that I added in there. And I'm just giving you one final look how everything is looking so far. I like those little yellow highlighters. They just look so good in that drawer. And here I'm just showing you that I didn't put any sticky notes in there because I keep my sticky notes on top of my desk. And this is how they look. And this is actually the very first item that I purchased for my Glam office. Isn't that gorgeous? So here I'm just showing you that I've added my lamps. So now I'm just going to add this smaller floral arrangement to my desk to replace the larger one that I had up there. I like this look, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the desk. So now this is what the floral arrangement looks like on my desk. Much smaller, but it still has a nice impact. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add something in here, and that's going to complete my desk. I feel like something needs to be here, so I'm going to add that as well. So stay tuned. So I'm going to add this little sign here that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, which was a recent purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and add that now. Okay, and this is how it looks. Now, I see some of the paint is coming off here, so I'm just going to do a touch up to that. I'm going to do that a little bit later. But I think that I am satisfied with this desk refresh. I think it looks good. I used mostly items that I already had, and most of the items I put back. But you know, it's just a little touch up, a little more organization. So stay tuned. This concludes my video for today, and I hope that the things that I shared in this video inspires you to get a little bit more organized in your homes as well. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.